In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable advanced slides on mouse click or keyboard control keys in PowerPoint, specifically focusing on the 2022 version. Navigating through your presentations without any unplanned transitions can be crucial, whether you're trying to maintain the rhythm of your presentation or prevent any accidental slide skips. So, let's dive in and ensure your slides behave exactly how you want them to. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you've selected the correct presentation file you intend to work on. Once PowerPoint is open and you have your presentation loaded, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't used it in a while. Getting comfortable with the interface is always a great start. Next, make sure you're focused on the slide where you want to disable the advancement. Click on the specific slide you want to adjust. You might be tempted to think this adjustment applies globally, but it's generally set on a slide-by-slide basis. This means you can have complete control over each individual slide's transition behavior, which is wonderful for creating a tailored presentation experience. Now look towards the upper panel of your PowerPoint window and you will see a tab labeled Transitions. Go ahead and click on that. The Transitions tab houses a range of options that dictate how your slides will move from one to another. This is where we'll make the important change. After clicking the Transitions tab, you'll notice a section labeled Timing. The timing section is crucial because it controls when and how your transitions happen. Make sure to locate this section comfortably, as it is where you'll be spending the next few moments. Within the timing section, you'll find a checkbox that says On Mouse Click. This box, when checked, allows slides to be advanced by a simple mouse click. So, to prevent any accidental advancements, simply uncheck this box. By doing this, you ensure that no unwanted mouse clicks will disrupt your presentations. It's a simple yet powerful step to controlling how your slides transition. Remember, if you have multiple slides, you'll need to repeat this step for each one. Repeat the process by clicking on the next slide and then unchecking on mouse click in the timing section again. This practice not only reinforces the skill, but also guarantees consistent behavior across your entire slideshow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a presentation where slides won't be advanced mistakenly by mouse clicks or keyboard triggers. This can help maintain a smooth, uninterrupted flow during your presentation, allowing you to focus on delivering your message confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your slideshow go off without a hitch.